No, this government is capable of changing anything for the sake of elections. Our position as NDA remains what it was in 2018. We do not believe anybody, for the sake of politics, should tamper with traditions and culture of Hindus in Kerala or anywhere in the country. And Pinarayi Vijayan did this in 2018. And it is very, very clear that they have tried in the last 1 year to try and wriggle out of that position by holding the Ayyappa Sangama. But look, the Hindus of Kerala, the Ayyappa Bhakts of Kerala, will never forgive Pinarayi Vijayan for presiding over two grave injustices and crimes that he did. One is to distort the traditions of of Sabrimala, and the second is 4.5 kilos of gold being stolen from Sabrimala, and for the CM to call it a slight slip-up. So what he has done to the Vishwasis is unforgivable, and no amount of U-turns or no amount of acting or drama will change what he has done. I want, as I said on October 3rd, 2025, every one of these politicians who was behind this broker, Unnikrishnan Potti, should be identified and sent to jail.
And Govindam also said that the Sabrimala issue is over.
No, he wishes that Sabrimala issue is over. The Sabrimala issue will never be over till the CPM is thrown out and the Congress is thrown out from Kerala.
Will Sabrimala issue be the decisive factor in the...
No, there are many issues that will be deciding factors, including development. Certainly, Sabrimala will be a very, very important issue because both the Congress and the CPM have a big role to play in the culture that is allowing people to steal from temples in Kerala.